Okay, so we actually we didn't plan to work today, but since Sunday it was too cold, we didn't manage to glue stuff. We're gonna do it right now, so we don't need to do it on the coming Sunday. So it's gonna be 3 hours of work. It's gonna be bam 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 bam. Yeah, we just went to Hornbach, got a lot of stuff, like 9 beams I would say, and 3 huge slabs. The 9mm is going to be for
shelves inside the cabinet. Yeah.
And the 3mm is going to be on top. Here's new plan. Then we're gonna glue the beams right now, and against these beams the 3mm is going to be glued, so the connection between the stainless steel and the 3mm plywood will be a perfect fit. So for the stainless steel itself, it's going to be similar to hold on. The stainless steel. I'm gonna glue it. It is as flat as we can get it right now, so it's time to glue the beams. I think I have 7 beams to glue. This is my old shirt. I've been wearing this shirt for like at least 8 years. And it's painful this. Should I send this up to make it a bit rough? I think so. I'm so confused if I should use the black one or the white one. There's a difference in that, but that's it. En voor de rest gaat het niet echt in diepte over grote toepassingen. Probably not going to work with this knife. It is. Very nice. Spread it out with the blubber. No, here. The thing that's gonna fit under here.
Just a bit more off the top. So today we got up real early because, believe it or not, it's a good temperature to glue stuff together. These are the 2 and another one, and we have some more units that we prepared last week to glue together. today. Bram put these in. And next step is ordering a stainless steel wall to go over here. You still have to be mindful of the wiring.
I'm gonna make one cut, okay?
Yeah, it's still a wall here. We have to assemble the whole desk here. And then the majority of stuff on this side of the truck is done.
And Sunday, this is mainly actually preparation for Sunday, because Sunday I really would like to work on the electricity and the wiring over here, and I'm gonna start with the sink over there. So this is mainly done. It's kind of like still assembling, but I guess it won't take too long to do. I imagined I was planning to do this today, so it worked. Now we go with a lecture to attend.
Way too early.
What time is it now?
1:45.
No.
Yeah, yeah.
And I need to leave the car.
Go, go, go!